In front of me is Realme C75 and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in split screen view. Begin by selecting an app to use in this view and launching it in the background. Then click on those three dots at the top right corner and select split screen. Lastly, tap on the second app and enjoy using both at the same time. To go back from this mode, drag one of your apps all the way up or all the way down and hit home button. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!